Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Karadash, and Heavenly Father, true name say Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Nashwan Kadash Lotan. And I say Barak Abam to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 17th, 2024. On this Tuesday noon, and this is a latest earthquakes of the latest earthquakes from earthquake.uscs.gov, and there's a 5.1 Southwest India Bridge. Right, it was a 5.1 earthquake in South Indian Bridge, 4.5 earthquake in Livukia, Fuji, 4.3 earthquake in San Antonio de Labres of Argentina. 4.6 earthquake in Tolita, Chile. 4.4 earthquake in Camuna, Chile. 4.8 earthquake northeast of Macuto, New Zealand. 2.6 earthquake in Proms, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake in Euclid, Japan. 4.5 earthquake in Los Pilos, Timor-Leste. 4.4 earthquake in 103 kilometers east of northeast of Kashgar, China. 2.8 earthquake in Volcanoes, Hawaii. 4.4 earthquake southeast of 54 kilometers southeast of Bahrain, China. 2.5 earthquake 6 kilometers east of southeast of Happy Valley, Alaska. 5.0 190 kilometers southeast of Pangzaptan, Philippines. 5.1 Port Vila, Ventu. That was an earthquake of a 5.1 in that area region. 2.5 earthquake in 61 kilometers south of White City of New Mexico. 4.8 earthquake 15 kilometers west of northwest of Port Vila, Ventu. 4.4 earthquake and 259 kilometers northeast of Apostolos, Timor-Leste. 4.9 earthquake in northern East Pacific Ridge. 3.4 earthquake 104 kilometers north of Charlotte, Amelia, if I pronounced that right, newest U.S. Virgin Islands. 4.6 earthquake in Port Vila, Ventu. 5.0 earthquake in the Philippines. 4.9 earthquake in Panguna, Papua New Guinea. 5.2 earthquake in South Sandwich Island region. 2.5 earthquake 30 kilometers west of Truckee, California. 4.5 earthquake 97 kilometers south of Anu, Alaska. 2.5 earthquake 20 kilometers northwest of New Meadows, Idaho. 3.8 earthquake 163 kilometers northeast of Vasquez, Puerto Rico. 2.9 earthquake in West Petra, California. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places. Luke 21 verse 11, it says, "A great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be for him." Right, so we're going to be seeing the increasing of the great earthquakes in diverse places, right along with the increasing famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be for him. So with that, this is just a quick sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of December 17th, 2024 on this Tuesday noon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Karadash, in the Heavenly Father, true name say Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son Ba'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Nashwan Kadash Lotan. And I say Barak Abam to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.